Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Pick a device and get accounts. First, attach a quality microphone and speaker, connect to stable Wi-Fi, and power the board. Once done, create accounts for speech-to-text and text-to-speech services and copy the API keys. Next, install an OS image and enable SSH so you can work headless. Make sure Python 3.10 Plus is installed, then create a virtualenv. Finally, install core libraries like requests, sound device, and your chosen SDK so a basic demo can run. Now assemble the software pipeline. Install ASR, NLU, and TTS components and configure credentials. Start with a wake word engine to avoid constant processing, then implement audio buffering with non-blocking I/O so recording won't freeze the system. Once audio is captured, send it to ASR, parse text through NLU to extract intents, and map intents to handlers. Make sure handlers run in separate threads or subprocesses to keep responses snappy. Test each module independently to complete the system by integrating fallback prompts and local caching so the assistant remains useful if the cloud is slow. Then secure API keys, enforce rate limits, and configure a process manager to restart services on failure. Once integrated, run end-to-end tests for edge cases like noisy input, partial wake word, and concurrent requests. If things go wrong, check logs first, verify microphone permissions and network access. Then run a single component test to pinpoint the failure and restart only the affected service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.